In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close books on Acuity in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Acuity scheduling. This is where all the magic begins. Whether you are wrapping up for the end of the month, quarter, or year, it's crucial to ensure that your appointments are neatly organized and accurately reflect your business activities. Once you're on the Acuity scheduling homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed, but if you're having trouble finding it, it might be located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the next step of this process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email you used when you signed up for Acuity. If you've got multiple emails and aren't sure which one you used, you might need to try a couple before hitting the right one. After typing in your email, you'll need to click Next. This might seem like a small step, but it's all part of ensuring your account security and directing you to the correct login method. Speaking of login methods, at this point you will have the option to continue with Google. This is a convenient choice if your Acuity account is linked to a Google account. It simplifies the login process by allowing you to bypass the standard password entry if you're already logged into Google on your browser. Selecting your Google account is the subsequent step if you've chosen the Google login option. You will see a list of Google accounts currently signed in, or you might have to sign in if you haven't done so already on your device. Simply choose the one linked to your Acuity account. Now the operational part begins. Once logged in, you'll want to head over to your calendar. This might look different depending on any customizations or settings you've previously established, but generally there's a navigation bar or a dashboard that will guide you to this section. Next, click on your appointment. You might have one or several appointments listed, so make sure to click on the one you intend to close. This step is crucial as it directly relates to the appointment you're finalizing. After selecting an appointment, you will click on the label. Labels in Acuity can be used to organize, categorize, or indicate different stages of your appointments. This part is about identifying and selecting the correct label that corresponds to the appointment you're working with. Finally, you'll click on Completed. This is arguably the most satisfying part of the process. By marking an appointment as completed, you're effectively closing it in your books. It signifies that the service was rendered, the client was satisfied, and now it's officially in the past. It's a good practice to ensure all appointments are marked as completed by the end of your billing cycle or work period for accurate record keeping. Remember, staying organized and keeping your records up to date is critical in any business. By following these steps to close your appointments in Acuity, you're not just tidying up, you're laying a solid foundation for efficiency and accuracy in your business operations. Some additional tips: make sure to review all appointments before marking them as completed to ensure nothing is missed or incorrectly labeled. It might also be helpful to regularly audit your appointments for consistency and accuracy over time. That's it, you've just learned how to close books on Acuity in about 5 minutes. It's a simple yet essential process for maintaining your business's operational integrity. Whether daily, weekly, or monthly, keeping on top of your appointments ensures you're always ready for what's next. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Stay organized out there, and see you in the next video.